First, I'd like to thank my buddy Wei Kun for always sharing his find with us, such as this Team Transport Fleet Flyer with Datsun Bluebird. I will skip the review for this set because I believe most of you have seen it. Surprisingly, this Fleet Flyer pairs very well with the first ever RLC Datsun Bluebird with opening hood. And today, I'm going to compare this RLC 510 with my recent RLC selection, Datsun 240Z with opening hood. This is really a long wait since last year, and now it looks really good when viewed up close. The body in Spectra Flame Blue is just awesome. The paint job is on par with the RLC Datsun 510, which looks equally fantastic. Just like any other Redline Club packaging, you can see the reverse side of the 240Z, together with the Nissan and Grady Performance license at the back of the card. The number is pretty low to me, but I have to open this card and keep the slightly higher one, because the card is creased when it arrived inside the protector, and that's a shame. Wow, this casting looks fantastic out of the package. Just the finishing alone is enough to make an impression. The carbon fiber hood is a bonus. The color scheme really reminds me of the Wanga Midnight Devil Z, and this is the shiny version. There's also a catch to keep the hood open while it's in the blister, and that's a good call by Mattel. And wow, I'm really speechless. It's really worth the wait. The carbon fiber textures looks good and nice to touch as well. This 240Z also comes with the latest wheel set in big and small, and no doubt it rolls perfect. The interior also comes with a roll cage with details livery on the Datsun logo type and the Grady Performance logo. The interior looks equally fantastic and I'm overwhelmed. In conclusion, this 240Z is a fantastic casting inside out. It may even be the best JDM casting that Hot Wheels has ever produced. But how about comparing the 240Z with the highly popular Datsun 510 with opening hood as well? Both comes with great finishing and details with opening features. Of course, the Datsun 510 needs no intro, and I think it looks equally great as well. It's really hard for me to decide which casting I prefer. And how about you? The 240Z or the 510? Remember to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!